Hello, let me introduce you to one classy alto and bass projector. This is just the unboxing so I can show you how beautiful she is and how high quality the packaging and all of the accessories are that come with this gorgeous high quality projector. It comes with a carrying case that's really well constructed with padding and ample pockets to store everything you need for this alto and bass 5G projector. The body is made of a high-quality hard plastic. It has a place for you to screw in a tripod, great ventilation. Everything is just top-notch manufacturing. This projector has 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, beautiful lens. I cannot wait to get this set up and check out the picture and sound because Alto and Bass makes a high-quality product, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be snazzy and gorgeous. In the meantime, just continue to ooh and ah with me over the classiest looking projector since sliced bread.